Hi everyone, today we're going to look at how to pair your phone with the radio via Bluetooth. I'm going to show you how to set it up. We're going to do a close-up and we will get you listening to your favorite music while working in safety. Alright, to start pairing your phone with the radio via Bluetooth, you want to turn your radio on like this with the power button. Okay, now your radio is on. You see the display button right here. You press it for at least 3 seconds to access the settings menu. Like so. Now you are in the settings menu. You will press the up button right here 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see now pairing has appeared on the screen. You press mode or enter this button right here once. You see push mode has appeared. If you press it again, you will start the process. And as you can see on the screen, BTB495 has appeared, which is the code for this radio, the Bluetooth code. Now I want you to go on your phone, Bluetooth settings. And usually the Bluetooth device, in this case the radio, will appear under other devices. If you click on it on your phone, the pairing process starts. And as you saw on the screen, it says pair OK, which means that the pairing is done. Now we will test it to see if it works with some music. I'm going to press play on my phone. And it does work. Now your radio is paired with your phone. You can listen to your favorite music while working safely.